YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the description and the thumbnail, we are doing some more knotless box braids. Now this is a regular client. Sis always come through. She wanted the knotless into a bob and she wanted to add beads on the end. Y'all, they turned out so fire. Like, I absolutely love this style. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my content. If you want an even more detailed video on how I do my knotless, let me know down below and I'll be sure to get another one up for you. If you are returning, what's up, fam? Y'all know we are family over here. So yeah, I really appreciate y'all and I love y'all and I hope y'all are doing well. But enough about that. Let's get into it, y'all. So I normally start at the back doing knotless, but this time I wanted to start at the front to go ahead and get that length that she desired in place, and then I moved to the back. Do y'all see my new wristband though that hold the products? These wristbands are so handy. Like, I used to just put the product on the back of my hand, and you know, after so long it'll kind of irritate me. So when I seen this, I was like, oh yeah, I have to have it. So if you're looking for something to hold your product on, I'll link those in the description box. It'll be connected to my Amazon account. So go ahead and head over there and grab you some, sis. I'm telling you, it makes a world of difference. And I feel so bougie now. Like, who's putting products on the back of their hand now? Not me. We upgrading around here, honey. Okay. Now, when it comes to doing knotless box braids, I like to braid their real hair down maybe 2 or 3 times before I start adding the hair in, instead of adding it right there at the scalp. It tends to make the braid so much flatter. Now, a knotless box braid is, to me, I always say, is basically like a feed-in braid, a single feed-in braid. So, if you get the concept of feed-ins, you'll definitely get the concept of these. But yeah. Braiding at the root a little more allows that braid to become so much flatter than adding that hair at the root. I zoomed in a little bit, so hopefully y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. And I know I haven't mentioned it before, but this style took me approximately 7 hours to complete from start to finish. Now, anytime a client comes to get braids, I have them go ahead and shampoo their hair really good and come blown out with no product in their hair. If y'all don't know, we say no products because of the products that we use to braid. Some products, if you have like conditioner or whatever in your hair, it will turn the jam, shining jam, or the edge control, or whatever, other product that, we're using, it'll make it white, so we don't say, don't put anything in your hair, just because. It's a reason behind it all. But she always come right. She always come with her hair prepped and ready to go. However, I do have an add-on package for all of my clients. It's the Royal Braid package, where I can shampoo their hair, give them a deep condition and a trim before any braid service. So that's definitely a good add-on to have, especially if you don't like shampooing your hair or you don't know how to blow it out properly. That's definitely something to add on to your service prior to coming. Okay, y'all, are y'all catching the drift though with these beads? Like, I fell in love with this hairstyle. It is so freaking cute. Like, oh my god. That's pretty much it, y'all. I went on and put all the beads on and cut the ends off. I set them with my mousse and blow dried them a little bit, and she was ready to go. Like, I didn't have to dip them or anything since she got the beads on the end. And I didn't get a video of the finished product, but I did get pictures, so I'll insert pictures at the end. But yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching and rocking with your girl, and I'll be sure to keep more content coming as long as y'all continue to watch. As always, y'all be careful out here. I know they're lifting a lot of the mask mandates, but do what's best for you. Continue to wash your hands and spread love. And until the next video, peace.